Mustang Coupe. I keep getting all these messages at the same time, and I'm videoing already. I probably won't use that because I hate it when my hand goes in the lens. So we're sitting here talking about fastbacks, and I said, are there any fastbacks in here? Because you guys know I want to shoot fastbacks. And Amanda said, no, we don't have any fastbacks right now. They sell really fast. And you know why they sell really fast, don't you?
They're so cool.
No, it's because I'm talking about them.
That's true.
It's all about me.
Okay.
I'm just kidding. All right, so we're going to cover a couple more coupes, and then we're going to move on to all the different cars with Amanda.
Dun, dun, dun.
Here we go.
And one of the advantages, this is a 67 Mustang, you guys can tell from the side scoops.
Yep.
The advantages of coming to a showroom and looking at classic cars is you'll see the imperfections. And we don't hide the imperfections, we show them, and that's unique because most people want to just gloss over the things that are wrong with the car. Well,
This is also detailed too.
yeah, with MustangMedic, and also here at I keep saying Philadelphia Gateway
Gateway Classic Cars of Philadelphia.
of Philadelphia. Thank you, Amanda.
I say it all the time.
Yeah. So how much is this car? How much are they asking for on this car?
They're asking for $17,995.
They're asking for 17,000. You can see those things that are on the leaf springs. They are extenders. I can't remember the exact term, but they mean that those leaf springs are shot. Those leaf springs are going to have to get replaced because they're almost flat. So that's a clue when you're looking at a car and you see that the leaf spring's been pushed down like that. That means that it needs to get replaced. And again, some people aren't happy about reality, and I don't know the owner of this car. He might see this video. Please don't take it personal. They're gonna see all of these things when they see the car. I'm gonna point them out on video so you know what you're buying or what you're talking about, because nobody likes to get a car shipped out to them sight unseen and find things that weren't mentioned that should have been mentioned. So that's why
We do mention it.
yeah, that's why I do what I do.
We do offer them to come out and look at our cars.
Exactly. And here it is on video showing the imperfections. And when you see the imperfections on video, you know that the person's a straight shooter and they're telling you what you're buying. I don't like to assimilate or be with people that are going to deceive. And Amanda here at, I keep saying the name, Gateway Classic Cars of Philadelphia.
Showroom.
Are keeping it real and showing it. The paint overall is in good shape. It's got some little minor dents on it. I think I see a little bit of orange peel there. See the orange peel in the reflection? That is...
It's actually got aluminum metal flakes in it.
yeah.
It's got bubbles.
Yeah, but it's got some texture on it.
It's got some bubbles.
Yeah, it's a paint job that doesn't necessarily need to be redone, but for the perfectionist, you might think about it. Custom rims, I've never heard of Roadhawk GT Atlas tires. Yeah.